How to solve screen flickering issue in Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will see some of the methods that will help you solve if you have screen flickering issue in your Android or your Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started. The first step is to disable the auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your device. For that, head over to settings, scroll down, head over to display. And if this adaptive brightness is turned on, that may sometimes cause the rapid changes in screen brightness and that will appear as flickering. So if you have such problem, make sure to turn off these options from here. But in case if this still does not help you, then you have to head over to a developer option if you have enabled in your device. So head over to settings, scroll down, head over to system and tap on developer options. So once you're under the developer option, now you have to turn off the options like SW overlays, forced GPU rendering or animations. So if you have turned on such options, make sure that you turn it off. Tap on the search icon at the top right. Now you could search for SW overlays and here you have, tap on it and that's gonna take you to SW overlays. So to turn off the SW overlay, you have to turn on the toggle here and that will disable SW overlays, and you could also disable some other options such as forced GPU rendering. So search for force GPU rendering if you have that option, and if the options loads up here, make sure that you turn it off as well. Now once you do that, check if that still does not help you or not. If not, make sure that your system is up to date. Head over to settings, scroll down, head over to system, then tap on software update, and if you have any update available, make sure that you install the available update. This update will often fix bugs such as your screen flickering. And if that still does not help you, that might be a hardware issue, so you have to visit your nearest Realme service center for the professional help. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.